Students, we are reading The Lost Child. The writer of this is Raj Mulk Raj Anand, and this in this chapter we are reading, and the central idea I have told about that parents are most valuable for a child, and how they are valuable we will reading in this chapter. So they have entered in the fear now, and he was repelled, he was means afraid, but he was also fascinated by this fear. So what happened now? He entered in the fear. So first what he met, a sweet meat, seller hawk. Sweet means that is जो है मिठाई वाला. So there he saw gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebis at the corner of the entrance. That was the entrance of the fair, and there was a sweetmeat. Okay, and there was a lot of crowd pressed around his counter at the foot of the architect. So there is a lot of crowds there, and he has designed his sweets according to like the architect they have made. So he was made like this type of heap of laddu, barfi, gulab jamuns, sweets, etc. Okay, so they are decorated with the leaves of silver and gold also. They are leaves attracted with the silver and gold, means they are attracted with the leaves of silver and gold. The child stared open-eyed, and his mouth watered for the barfi. So watered with barfi means what happened? पानी आ गया उसके मुंह में. That was his favorite sweet. What was his favorite? That was his barfi. He slowly murmured, means he slowly speak out. Murmur means budbudaya, slowly speaking. But he half knew as he begged that his plea. Plea means he was prayer for what? What not be heeded. Heeded means not be paid attention to that, because his parents would say he was greedy. What happened? He wants barfi, but he knew. उसने जो है he slowly जो है he speak with himself. He knew that if he wants that sweet, his parents will not allow me, and he will say that he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved. और जो है बिना किसी आंसर के he again moved. So next he moved to what? That was a flower seller. So after sweetmeat, next is flower seller hawk. A garland of gulmohar. Garland means that is a mala. Okay, so gulmohar flower, that is a flower, and a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistible. So seemed irresistible drawn. अपने आप को रोक नहीं पा रहा. He went towards the basket. Okay, so he went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped. Heaped means ढेर लगा हुआ है. And half murmured, I want that garland, means I want this garland. But he well know his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers. Again he will not allow to give that flowers, that garland to him, because they would say that were cheap. Cheap means they are not good quality, they are cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved. Again he was murmuring himself, and he moved with his parents. A man stood holding a pole with a yellow, red, green, purple balloons flying from it. Okay, so small children, they are very attracted for what? Balloons. They have, when they saw yellow, green balloons, they used to have all these. Okay, the child was simply cried away by the rainbow glory of the silken colors. He was filled with an overwhelmings. Overwhelmings means a very strong emotion that he wants to have that balloons, so possess them all, and he wants all that flowers, red, green, purple. But he knew his parents would never buy him the balloons with, they say he was too old. What his parents say? That he was too old to play with such a toys. अब वो बड़ा हो गया है, छोटा बच्चा नहीं है, तो फूलों के जो है बैलून के साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए. So he walked on further. Further means he moved with his parents again. So without any demands. Now he was in the fair and he was not getting anything, no sweets, no flowers, okay, and now balloons, nothing he is getting from his parents. Next he moved to snake charmer, okay, जो है सपेरा. Stood playing a flute, flute means बांसुरी, to a snake which are coiled, coiled means in this way, the जो है घुंडी मार के है, itself in the basket, its head raised in the graceful band like a neck of a swan. Swan means like a duck. जो है जिस तरह से डक एकदम आती है ना, तो शी जो है इस तरह से सांप भी जो है निकल के आता है. While the music stole into it invisible air like the gentle ripple of an invisible waterfall. What happened? जब हम पानी के अंदर when we are throwing a stone, so what happened? There is a ripple like this, okay, so ripple in this way we see in the water, okay, ripple is this, okay, rippling, okay. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden means denied, यानी मना कर देना, him to hear such a course means unpleasant मतलब अच्छा जो है म्यूजिक नहीं है. As the snake charmer played, he proceed further. Again he proceed with his parents, okay. So in this way he is moving with his parents. Now what? There was a roundabout in the full swing, okay. So this is one swing in the fair, that is a roundabout in the full swing. Man, woman and children cried away in the whirling motions, so they are very happy, okay. And shrink means to look very carefully, ध्यान से, and cried with a dizzy means जो है हम when we are on this roundabout, so we having a dizzy laughter means हमें चक्कर भी आ जाता है, and we are very happy. The child watched them intently means ध्यान से उसे देखता है, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout, please father and mother. अब वो जोर से बोलता है I want this, because he was very much now wants to be have this roundabout swing. But again what happens to him? Look now what, there was no reply, because every times their parent used to say come child come, but there was no reply. Here he lost. Now he lost. So there was no reply, the child was lost. He turned to look at his parents, they were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side, जो है they were not there. He looked behind, there was no sign of them. So he was looking his parents here and there, behind, forward, everywhere he say, but there was no sign of them. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. Dry means with a sudden jerk of his body he stood. Now with the force of his voice and he cried. बहुत जोर से जो है वो चिल्लाता है. Crying in the real fear. He was real fear means afraid, डर गया. Mother, father, tears rolled down from his eyes. आँखों से जो है क्या है आंसू टपक रहे हैं. Had hot and furious जो है his flushed face was convulsed with fear. So now what happened, जो है उसके जो है flushed means जो है flushed उसका his face become red, okay, and he was convinced with the fear. अब जो है डर गया है, वो बहुत डर से जो है convinced में पीड़ित है. Panic stricken, now he is in जो है पैनिक में ना डरा हुआ है. He ran to one side first, then to the other, hither and thither, here and there, here and there, in all directions. So he was moving here and there in the all the directions, knowing not where to go. He was not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. Wailed means he cried. Wailed mean cried. His yellow turban came untidy, because this is the this is a spring season, so everyone is wearing yellow dresses. So yellow turban जो है अनटाइडी हो गई है, खुल गई है, एंड हिज क्लोथ्स बिकम मर्डी, सो उसके जो है कपड़े भी जो है खराब हो गए हैं. हैविंग टू एंड फ्रो मीन्स इधर उधर भागना. इन रेंज ऑफ रनिंग फॉर ए वाइल ही स्टूड डिफीटेड. ही रैन हियर एंड देयर बट he stood defeated means हार गया. Why? Because his parents were not there. He cries suppressed into sobs. Suppressed into the sob means पहले तो वो बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से रो रहा था, अब उसने suppressed कर ली है, means धीमी और सुबक के रो रहा है. At little distance on the green grass he could see through his filmy eyes man, woman talking. He cried to look intently among the patches of the bright yellow clothes. Means सभी ने yellow color के clothes डाल रखे हैं जैसे फिल्मों में हो रहा है. So what happens, he was looking into that crowd for his parents, father and mother, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. They are all, nobody is caring about him. They were all, उसको सब ऐसा लग रहा था कि जब सभी उसके ऊपर जो है हंस रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं. He ran quickly again, this time to Shrine. Shrine means temple, to which people seem to be a crowding. Here what? There this Shrine means what? That is a temple, and this is also very crowdy place. Okay, every little inch of the space here congested means hota hai full of, so there is no space. So that temple was crowdy and there were no space, but he ran through the people's legs, but he was small, so he was going through the people's legs, his little sob lingering. Again he was जो है रुक के, lingering means रुक कर जो है सुबकियाँ ले रहा है. मदर फादर नियर द एंट्रेंस टू द टेम्पल, जो है टेम्पल के किनारे पर. Okay, however the crowd become a very thick. Man jostled. Here means जो है push करना. Here means जो है father entrance, jostle मैंने push करना. Each other, heavy mans with flushing murderous eyes, so their eyes becomes like red and like they will do the murder. Okay, and hefty shoulders. Hefty shoulder means a large and heavy, so shoulders. The poor child struggled to thrust away. Thrust means push away between their feet, and वो जो है उनकी टांगों के बीच में जो है पुश कर दिया गया. But not to and fro. To and fro means इधर उधर by their brutal movements. Brutal means harsh. बहुत बुरी तरह से उनकी जो मूवमेंट हो रही है, बहुत भीड़ भड़ाका है. And he was moving through his legs. He might have been tramped मैंने hit, tramped, crushed, मतलब कुचल देंगे उनको. अंडर द फुट, उनके पैरों के नीचे उसको कुचल दिया जाएगा क्योंकि भीड़ इतनी हो रही है. हैड ही नॉट ए श्रिंक्ड at the highest pitch of his voice father and mother, and he was again calling his father and mother. A man in the surging means powerful crowd may say heard his cry, and stooping with great difficulty. Stooping means he was bent towards, झुका with a great difficulty, because there was a lot of crowds there, so it was very difficult for a man to took the something from that ground, so it was very difficult for him. So he just stooping, and he lifted him with in his arm. Okay, so how did you get here, child? So he was asking, how did you get here? Okay, so whose baby are you? So now he is asking, how you come here and whose baby are you? Okay, so this is for today. We will read in the next.